And here is Nancy.
There's the board yawning there. This is the ticket office. And now we're going to enter the gift shop. And there's Martha constantly taking pictures. And now here's the gift shop that we're at. All this wonderful stuff here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know where Diane is, but here she comes. See all the people coming off.
So, this is what I want to show you. Are you ready? This is my vomit bag.
Oh, I don't want to see it.
And it's empty.
Oh. Her empty vomit bag. How wonderful. I'm so glad she shared that with us. There's looking up the tram. This is the tram where we went. The tram. She's looking out over the city.
Doors will be closed in 10 seconds, folks. I do need everyone on board.
Grabbing it, shocking the hell out of me.
This is the trees. The bottom of the tram. There's one of the substations. The yellow. This is the Palm SpringsTramway. This is a video of the tram coming up. And we're going to be taking the tram going down. Here it comes, and here this is the top where it's connected to. Okay, now we're walking down the stairs. Turn around and wave, Martha. There's Martha waving on the stairs of the tram, going down the stairs here. We were on the 3rd floor, and now we're on the 2nd floor. And now I'm just going outside here. Oh, and here's a barbecue out here. This is something new that they never had before.
There we go. We're going to take a walking tour.
I'm just going to do the inside here. We're over here at the tram and we're doing inside.
This is the beach.
This is the last call for this tram car to the Valley Station. Final call. Provide Palm Springs aerial tramway.
But the weird thing is, if you're down by the airport, oh really? Oh yeah, you know, like every 10 minutes.
Hello.
The valley.
Uh-huh.
Do some nice valley shots.
Here we are, Nancy and Diane,
Diane's nephew.
at the top of Mount Jacinto.
Look at there. Go to
Okay. Oh. Let's see. Can I do it? Can I zoom? There it went.